Cosmic 1.7 desktop environment. What's new and why it matters.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at a fresh update from System 76, Cosmic 1.7, the latest stable point release of their Rust-based desktop environment for Linux. Cosmic is the modern Wayland-native desktop that System 76 built from the ground up. It first reached stable status in late 2025 with Pop! OS 24.04 LTS, and since then, the team has been shipping regular refinements. Version 1.7 arrives just about a week after 1.6, so this is a focused update rather than a massive feature dump. Still, it delivers meaningful polish across the compositor, file manager, text editor, settings, login screen, and more. Now, let's break down the highlights. First, compositor improvements that make everyday use smoother. The Cosmic compositor now handles scalable cursors properly. When you increase the cursor size, it stays sharp instead of turning blurry. There's also a handy accessibility touch. Shake the mouse and the cursor enlarges so you can find it faster. Zoom steps are larger with each key press, making magnification more responsive. And when you unlock the machine, the screen turns on reliably.
Now, about the Cosmic files gets more practical. The file manager receives several quality of life upgrades. You can now rename items in the sidebar favorites section. File names align more cleanly in grid view. The Open With dialog lets you search for applications. You can jump to a network location from anywhere, and browsing network file systems feels snappier. A couple of stability fixes rounded out, including one that stopped the app from closing when it hit an invalid modification time. Now, about the smarter behavior in Cosmic Edit. The text editor now only switches to another tab if the one you're currently on gets closed. Cut and copy menu items stay disabled when nothing is selected, which prevents accidental clicks and makes the interface feel more consistent. Now, about the login and settings refinements. Cosmic Greeter is more forgiving. Login can continue even if Pam returns a non-fatal error message. In settings, the Bluetooth page offers proper back navigation when multiple adapters are present. Moving monitors no longer forces the refresh rate back to default unexpectedly. The settings daemon stops sending low battery alerts on systems that don't actually have a battery. Keyboard layout reordering buttons are also cleaned up so you can't try to move the first or last layout out of place. Now, about the other notable changes. The Start Cosmic script is now compatible with plain POSIX SH, so it no longer depends on Bash. Several panel crashes have been fixed. New wallpapers featuring the Cosmic logo and logo patterns are included, and the remote desktop portal has been implemented, which means tools like Steam Input can now control the keyboard and mouse more effectively. There's also a fix for occasional failures when copying screenshots to the clipboard. Translation updates and dependency bumps are included across the board, as you'd expect from a regular maintenance release. Now, what this means for users. These aren't flashy headline features, but they're the kind of careful improvements that make a desktop feel more reliable day to day. Sharper cursors, easier network navigation, cleaner editor behavior, and better multi-monitor handling all add up. System 76 continues to treat Cosmic as an evolving platform rather than a one-and-done project, with frequent point releases that keep polishing the experience. If you're already running Cosmic on Pop! OS or another distribution that packages it, keep an eye on your package manager or the project's GitHub for the 1.7 packages. Updating should be straightforward and give you a more stable, refined desktop. That's the rundown on Cosmic 1.7. If you've been using Cosmic, what small polish or fix would you like to see next? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.